In this video, we're going to show you how to install wiper blades on your Toyota Corolla located at the base of the windshield. Now we're starting here on the passenger side. We're going to gently lift up the arm and hold it. Now this particular wiper blade has a pinch tab here. We're going to pinch and lift up. Then we're going to slide the wiper blade back and then pull that out. Now this has a hook on it, and that's going to be important when we install the new one. Set that down gently on the glass. Don't let it slap down, as you can crack the glass. Lift up. You're going to take the wiper blade, and this has a little clip on it that will actually engage on the hook. So bring it around behind the hook, slide it into it, and pull it towards you. And you're going to feel it engage. Push the other way just to make sure it's locked in. And then don't forget to slide off the protector for the blade. Set it down. And you're going to repeat this process for the driver's side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.